Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Josh Stroschein, and I want to welcome you to Analyzing Malware for .NET and Java Binaries. I am an assistant professor in cybersecurity at Dakota State University, senior security researcher at VDA Labs, and malware analyst for Bromium. Java and .NET are commonly used by malware authors to attack our users and our computing resources. They can be used to deliver ransomware, trojans, and other information-stealing malware. In this course, we are going to learn how to quickly and effectively reverse engineer .NET and Java binaries. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how .NET and Java binaries differ from other malware, and how you can use these differences to your advantage when reversing. Understand the role that the .NET framework and Java runtime play, as well as bytecode, and how this will impact your analysis. Learn how to master the tools needed to reverse engineer .NET and Java binaries, and be able to perform exhaustive static and dynamic analysis. And finally, be able to identify and extract indicators of compromise, and use those to better protect your organization and its computing resources. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills necessary to analyze .NET and Java binaries, giving you the ability to effectively investigate a wider variety of malware. Before you begin the course, you should be familiar with the fundamentals of malware analysis. I hope you'll join me on this journey and learn how to reverse engineer malware with Analyzing Malware for .NET and Java binaries at Pluralsight.